Hey everybody, I'm just home for lunch for a quick sec. I was gonna run out around the yard and show you a bit of garden plans, but I woke up this morning to an inch or two of snow. We're supposed to have 2 centimeters. There's probably 6 to 8 inches on the ground right now, and if you see, it's not done snowing. So I have no idea how much we're gonna have by the end of the day. Now, me showing you pictures of snow in New Ross is nothing new. So what I was planning on doing is I'm going to show you a bit of how the weather can change in New Ross and Nova Scotia. Right now we're in the middle of a snowstorm. Probably be 10 inches on the ground by the time it's done. The wind's coming in out of the northeast. It's just a fantastic day. This weekend it's supposed to come up sunny and anywhere from 12 to 15 degrees. So Sunday I'm going to come out and I'll do a little video of what the exact same picture looks like on Sunday. And you'll probably see here 3 or 4 days ago, this was all green grass. The fields were showing, everything was bare, it was sunny and warm, it was feeling like spring, it was feeling like getting out and doing a little gardening work. I made a comment on Work with Nature's site this morning, and he was planting potatoes. And as you can see, I think out there somewhere is my potato patch. I'll probably not be planting potatoes this weekend, but I'll give a little shot on Sunday of the exact same country, and just see how much difference 2 or 3 days can make. Have a good one.